Deep research. Alright, let's start working on our material. The first thing we do is conduct research, and actually it's quite straightforward. I take this prompt, copy it, then go to ChatGPT, open a new chat, and paste our prompt text there. This is how it appears here. This is the prompt we use to ask ChatGPT to conduct our research. Next, we go to Tools and click on the Run Deep Research button. This is an important step. It's essential to enable this function, otherwise the research won't happen. And all I do is upload my file containing the original article. This is my text that I wrote. These are my own audio notes that I've transcribed and formatted. I upload them here, and research should be conducted based on this material. First, it reads the document, then asks me to confirm what topic I want this research to cover. For example, what is the specific topic title you want this analysis to be centered on? Personal branding as a business model. Are there any particular aspects you'd like me to emphasize more? For example, market trends, psychological dimensions, monetization strategies, risks. Is there a target audience for the educational content this will fit into? For example, aspiring entrepreneurs, tech founders, solopreneurs. Here I have 3 questions that asked me. Sometimes it's one question, sometimes it's several questions, but typically at least one question about clarifying the topic is asked. To understand and continue the work, I need to provide appropriate answers. I simply write answers point by point. Yes, I'm fine with this topic, personal branding as a business model. I'll just add or one-person business as a business model. That's more accurate. It reflects what I want to convey. There might be some aspects that need more emphasis. For the second point, I'll write that we need to emphasize using a set of personal interests as a niche rather than some specific knowledge domain, because that's exactly what I'm talking about in this article. So it's important that it focuses on this. And the target audience is aspiring entrepreneurs, solopreneurs, that's very clear. I won't specify tech founders here because I want to make it broader, and it's not only for technical founders. And I sent all this for research. Now it says it will conduct research and begins the process. This will take some time, 20 to 30 minutes. Of course, I'll cut this time out during editing and we'll look at the results. ChatGPT has finished our research, completing it in about 10 minutes, processing 28 sources and making 236 search queries. And here's the document it produced. By clicking on this button, we can read it in this format. This is a document containing a huge amount of material from all sources. Here are the links that we used to gather all this material. We can download a PDF with this research and use it later for writing the article. Here's the comprehensive document we now have. Here we have key claims from the original material. Here they all are. Then we have verification of these claims. Moving on. Next we have real-life examples. These are examples we can verify. Gary Vee, Eli Abdaal, Tim Ferriss. These are very well-known examples. Next, we have statistics and data. For example, here we have some figures. The number of content creators is more than 400 million worldwide, and so on. All this can be used as separate posts, for instance. There's an enormous amount of material here. Then come quotes from Jeff Bezos, Gary Vee, from Oprah. There are dozens of quotes collected here and statements that couldn't be verified. Future-proof business model claim. This statement is subjective, or just live your life and generate income implication. Here too, these statements couldn't be confirmed. And then we have a summary of this article with all the sources and links to them. So here we have the ready-to-use material that we can work with further, which is what we'll be doing. I won't save it in this form. I'll copy it from here by clicking on this button and paste it into my Cortex. So this material is saved in the same place where I have the original article. So I'll create a new document, remove these unnecessary parts, I don't need this. I leave this as a heading and paste the content here. And from here I can also export it. Here everything, all the material is collected, so I have my completed research. After this, we can proceed to writing the article itself.